Hey everyone, this is Ryan from God All Supplies coming to you live on Facebook today, which is Tuesday. That's a little unusual for us, but we have a really big announcement that we want to share with all of our Facebook fans. So I just want to give everyone just a moment to join us live here on Facebook before we reveal what we think is going to be a really huge announcement that everyone's going to want to hear. So appreciate everyone joining us. Hi Laura, thanks for joining us live here on Facebook. Hey Monica. We appreciate everyone tuning in, watching us live today, and we hope everyone had a great weekend and you're enjoying your Tuesday here in March. Hello, Teresa. How you doing today? And Michelle, hey, hi. So I want to thank everyone for joining us live today here on Facebook. If you're here, comment below, like, share this Facebook Live video to your hey, hi Becky, to your business Facebook pages, and just share the live. We feel like we have a really huge announcement today. Hi Mandy, thanks for watching us. Oh, happy spring to you too, Monica. I guess we got 2 more days to the summer or the spring solstice. So, hi Carrie, thanks for joining us live today. I hope you guys really enjoy what we're going to be rolling out today. So, number one, even though it's not Thursday, we are going to do a Facebook Live giveaway as always. And so we're going to get into what products we're going to be rolling out real quick. We're just going to give another few seconds for other people to join us live. And we are going to reveal what we think is something huge, something really, really, really big. Hey, Monica, thanks for sharing. I appreciate that. And yes, Woot is correct. This is going to be big. So, anyways, let's get into this. We're going to start this Facebook Live and introduce exactly what we are going to be doing. So here at God All Supplies, we have been working so hard. Hi, Becky. We've been working really hard at developing new content for our fans, for our customers, for everyone that uses essential oils, that's trying to grow their essential oil business, or anyone that's just trying to live healthy. Anyone that wants to try to use, alternative medicine, or someone that's just trying to, leave a, have a clean carbon footprint on the earth. And so there's a lot of us out there that are really trying to do our best every single day, and we love essential oils. And so here at God Oil Supplies, we have been developing a ton of new content that we're going to be rolling out. And so how we are going to be doing this is starting today, God Oil Supplies is launching our very first subscriptions. So we are going to have a new subscription box every single month that all of our fans can subscribe to and receive our new content every month. And so I know it's a little late in March, but we're going to show our March subscription box that you can go on our website right now and order. And then we're going to explain how the subscriptions work, what you get, how much they cost, how much money you're going to save. And we are going to just roll down this entire subscription model for you. So, but to start, let me start with this. So, since it's March, we decided to do March Monster Madness. And so the first subscription kit that we developed for you, our fans, is this one right here. It's called My Monsters. And so, in this subscription box is for your kids. And this is a great way to get your kids to start using essential oils. Now, the really great thing that I want to highlight about our content before I get farther into our subscription boxes is that, number one, that we use the Certified Aromatherapist to come up with our blends. And so these blends are made for kids that are 2 years old or older, a 2% dilution rate, which is approved for kids. And we only use essential oils that are safe for children to use. And so, number one, we used an aromatherapist to develop our kit. Totally safe for kids 2 and older. And it is absolutely adorable. Let me do a zoom. This is a close-up of our recipe sheet. And here's our recipe sheet on the back. Super cute. And we also developed the amazing cute labels that go with them. So you get 12 labels. The 12 lid stickers are included with the labels. No need to pay extra money for lid stickers. They are included. Lid stickers, labels, all the recipes, and all the fun facts that you need for your kid your kids are automatically included in our March Monster Madness subscription kit. So let me just show you real quick how amazing these labels look on the bottles. So I'm going to hold this up so you guys can see it. Aren't those cute? This guy right here is my favorite. This guy's my favorite. And I know it's kind of crooked, and I apologize, but look how cute those are. I mean, aren't your kids absolutely going to love using these like every day? I think so. And they, of course, they come with the lid stickers. Super, super cute. So here's the other great thing about our subscription boxes. Is number one is that these products are brand new and they are not available on our website. If you want to get our My Monsters labels, lid stickers, recipe sheets, they are only available in our subscription boxes. And only if we don't sell out during the month will we put these on our website. So if you want to guarantee that you're going to get these new products from God Supplies, you're going to need to subscribe to one of our subscription boxes. And we're going to get into that because we have multiple options as far as our subscription boxes go. But if you want this new content, they are only available in our subscription boxes unless, but if they don't sell out, they will be available online. But if you want these, remember, you're going to get them first through our subscription boxes. So let's talk first about our monthly oiler box. So this box is going to be $19.95 a month. You're going to get at least $25, $30 value out of this subscription box every month. And what's really cool is for the first month when you buy it, you're going to get free shipping. And then after the first month, it's only $5.95 shipping after that. So the monthly oiler box is only $19.95. And I'm going to show you exactly what you get this month if you signed up for our monthly oiler box. So first and foremost, you will get a dozen of our frosted 10 ml roller bottles. Now, the frosted look amazing, you can tell, and you can see with these labels, they look great. So you will get a dozen of these that you can make all your blends with. So with the dozen bottles, you will get 12, not 10. We have 12 labels on here, plus the lid stickers right here. So you will get the bottles, the lid stickers, the recipe sheets, which includes all the instructions, the proper dilutions, all the oils for your essential oil blends. You are going to get this amazing essential oil bag, which is black, which you can put these in, gender neutral, which is amazing. You are going to get this bag right here. And then we're also going to throw in some few extras. And so with every subscription box, we're going to throw in an insert remover tool. Now, it's vital that you use this to remove and insert your rollerball inserts. That way, your rollerballs don't fall out of the bottles. And I will remind you that every single one of our roller bottles comes with a stainless steel metal insert. So it's really important that you use one of these, and you get one for free in every single subscription box. Plus, you will get a pipette and a mini funnel to help you make your blends. Super important. And last but not least, and I think these are absolutely adorable, just as an extra bonus, we're going to throw in a sheet of our emoji lid stickers. Aren't those cute? And you get those absolutely for free. We're just throwing those in the box. And again, I'm going to reiterate that this box right here, for the first month, absolutely ships free, and it's only $19.95. And then after that, it's only $5.95 a month for shipping. And so we are going to give away one of these oiler boxes absolutely for free for anyone that's watching this Facebook Live. So if you want to win one of these user boxes, you need to comment below. What are we going to have them comment below, Gina?
Their favorite monster.
Your favorite monster. Let's go over the monsters. So we want you to comment below what your favorite monster is, and you're going to have a chance to win this entire kit absolutely for free. So let's go over this. So let me show you how cute these monsters are. So we got this monster right here. Let me see here. That one's called Cool Head. Isn't he cute? And then we got Ears, Sleepy, Breathe, Time Out, Tummy. He's got a little owie tummy right here. And then for homework help right here, we got Focus, Healthy, Owie right here. Oh, look, so sad. Happy, who's my favorite. He's really cute. We got Happy. Then we got Courage and Love with the cute little holding onto the heart. Aren't those adorable? They're so cute. So comment below which monster is your favorite, and you could win this box absolutely for free. So I love the comments. Keep them coming. Just comment below, and we want to give one of our lucky fans one of these amazing boxes absolutely free. So if I didn't already tell you, these are only $19.95. Every month, you're going to get the brand new products from God Oil Supplies for $19.95. First month ships free, and after that, it's only $5.95 shipping. So you save off our already low flat rate shipping. So it's absolutely amazing. So these are available right now on our website. We have a subscriptions category, and underneath subscriptions, you'll be able to get our monthly oiler box, which will include our My Monster Kit for this month only. So now, again, if you if you want to win this, go on there, subscribe, and then we will refund one of our lucky fans their first month. So you will get the first month absolutely for free, $19.95 value. That's awesome. See, does everyone like that? From the comments, I think people are enjoying this. They are really cute. Let me pull up my favorite guy. Where is he? Right there. There's my favorite. Super adorable. And we're going to be coming out with brand new content every month that is going to be super cute and which is going to just be awesome. So we have a lot of fun kits that are coming out, and this one's for kids, but they're not all going to be for kids. We are going to come out with something new every month. And so when you just subscribe, you are going to get the latest products from God Oil Supplies. Now, this box is designed for like the daily user, someone that just loves using essential oils day in, day out, wants their kids to use these. And so the user box is for that type of people. But we also know that we have a ton of customers out there that are building and growing their essential oil business. And so it's important that you have the right tools to grow and to build. And so we have come up with a builder box. And the builder box is designed to help you share your essential oils and grow your business. And so I'm going to share with you what's in our builder box right now. So the builder box, first and foremost, we're going to start out giving you 48 of our 1 ml sample bottles. So this is a dozen right here. So you will get 4 dozen 1 ml sample vials. And so that way you can take these My Monster blends, you can make them, and then you can make tons of samples to hand out to all your friends, family, neighbors, people you see in Walmart, anywhere you go, Costco, and share these amazing essential oil blends with those around you to help you grow your business. So you get 4 dozen of the 1 ml roller bottles. Next, you're not just going to get 1 dozen of our 10 ml frosted bottles. Again, with stainless steel metal roller inserts, you're going to get 2 dozen. So you're going to get double the bottles that you would in the normal oiler box. So again, all these things are included in our builder box. And so since it is a builder box, you're not just going to get 1 sheet of labels. You're going to get 10. You're going to get 10 full sheets of labels, and each label sheet has 12 labels and 12 lid stickers. So you're going to get 10 of these, and in conjunction with the 10 label sheets, you are also going to receive 10 recipe sheets. And these are amazing and great if you want to share these. So you're going to get 10 of these to share, and that's why it's called the Builder Box, right? So 10 of these. And as I showed you before, these amazing emoji lid stickers, you just don't get 1. You don't just get 2. You get 4 of these lid stickers in the builder box. And these are really fun to put like on top of the sample vials. It just adds some color and some flavor to your sample vials. So you'll get 4 dozen of these emoji lid stickers absolutely for free, included in the builder box. And last but not least, these are important. You will get 2 funnels and 2 of our remover tools. You'll get 1 big one, 1 small one that'll work with all the sample vials, all your 10 ml rollers. You'll get 2 of these keys. And so this builder box is valued at over $60. But every month, if you sign up for our builder box, you're only going to pay $39.95. So you're going to save over $20 a month when you sign up for our builder box, which is an absolutely huge savings. And again, just with our user box, our builder box, for the first month, you get free shipping. And then after that, even though we're including, 4 dozen sample vials, 2 dozen of these 10 ml roller bottles, the shipping is still only going to be $5.95 after the first month. Huge savings, absolutely huge savings for only $39.95 for the builder box. You will save over $65 in shipping if, and then we're going to our last builder box. If you want to save an extra $65 on shipping, all you need to do is pay for the annual subscription for our builder box. So what we did is you will get our builder box every month for the $39.95, but when you pay for the year in advance, you are going to get free shipping every month, which is going to save you over $65. And so you know that you're building your essential oil business. You know you're going to want these sample vials and these new products every month. You are going to save a ton of money if you just buy the annual subscription up front. Free shipping every month, and you will get the latest products from godoilsupplies.com. So that's it. Is everyone excited about this? Because I'm excited, because I think this is absolutely going to be amazing. This is going to be great. Again, here, let me just show you how cute they are. See? That's my favorite guy right there. So cute. So, again, we're going to give away one of our user boxes absolutely for free. Go subscribe. We'll give you a free month absolutely for free. Just comment below which one of these you like. As far as the subscriptions go, the subscriptions are for the U.S. only. Unfortunately, shipping to international locations, we haven't figured out yet. I apologize. I know someone asked about Canada. But as of right now, these prices are for U.S. only, but that does include Hawaii and Alaska. So all 40 U.S. states are included in the subscription. Appreciate you asking. We will do our best to get these into Canada as quick as we can. But these are going to be absolutely great. Okay, I love all the comments. Thanks for commenting. Please continue to like, comment, and share this Facebook Live video. We feel like this is a huge announcement. It's going to save you guys a ton of money, and you're going to get the best products, the newest products every month shipped to your door without even lifting a finger. Just go sign up, and we'll take care of the rest. We'll develop amazing content for you guys, and we will ship it straight to your door. So again, next week, so what's today? Today's Monday. Oh, today's Monday. I thought it was Tuesday. Totally even wrong on what day it is. So today's Monday. So next Monday, we will pick a winner for our giveaway. So again, just comment which of these monsters you like below, and I guess I can go over that one more time because you guys don't want me to get off this Facebook Live right now. So we have the cool head, ears, sleepy, tummy, time out, breathe, and focus. Focus is really cute. And then we have the healthy, owie, happy, courage, and love. Comment below which monster you love the best, which one you think's the cutest. And next Monday, we will pick a winner to get our Oiler box, our monthly Oiler box, their first month absolutely for free. We will refund the low price of $19.95 and get it shipped off to you. So this is Ryan from God All Supplies. Thanking everyone for watching. You guys are the best. We love our fans. You guys are the reason we put all this work in. So thank you. Thank you for everyone. And again, just keep those comments coming. If you have any questions, just send us a message on Facebook. You can call us. You can email us. We are here to serve you. So if there's anything we can do for you, just let us know. And again, this is Ryan from God All Supplies telling everyone to have a great week. Get on godoilsupplies.com, order your subscription boxes, and we'll get them shipped out to you ASAP. So again, have a great week, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.